Selection Committee.
The Hinuthrip Integrated Territorial Organization Hito in Bhoi district has officially lodged a complaint with the Deputy Commissioner of Bhoi district demanding legal measures be taken against those responsible for alleged extortion of funds from vehicles transporting chicken from Meghalaya. Accompanied by fellow members, the organization's working president Banpinchai Umba had originally scheduled a meeting with the Bhoi Deputy Commissioner to hand-deliver the complaint letter. Unfortunately, due to unforeseen circumstances, the letter was submitted without meeting the DC. In addressing this issue, Umba stressed that the organization is urging the district administration to swiftly address the matter.
Hito Bhoi district harangkat kajing senran lang jong ki member jong ka kumu presiden jong ka Hito Indian area minta kasni lawan ban submit ya ki darkas HUDC hansim jongi kene ka isu ka ba ki don katto kene ngut ki briusim kabu hapo bernihan hagabai de bat kajing lum pisah ka jong ki hadu laipo hajar ka wai ka kalisiar te kunta ngi nak liang jungi ka Hito mentangi lawan ban bu kene ka city hang ne harangkat ngi labu ru ya deputy commissioner nang ta apa superintendent of police Bhoi district